What is up, guys? It's your boy Brandon back again with the 91 Miata, and today is an exciting day because the UPS man just stopped by, which means my Rev9 coilovers are finally here, and I'm pretty psyched about that. So about to do an unboxing for you guys, let you see how it comes packaged, and let's get into it. I was gonna go with the Tane Flexi coilovers, but Tane's like super duper backed up right now, and their shipping said it wouldn't even ship till like late August, and the suspension on the Miata is not that great, so I kind of need something like lickety split. So I had to cancel my order for the Tane coilovers and go with the Rev9s because they were in stock and ready to ship the next day after I bought them. So they're finally here and we're about to go check it out. So let's get into it. Alright, dudes and dudettes, I got it all cut open. We have the Hyper Street 2 Performance Suspension System for the Miata. Let's see what's in the box. Now isn't that a pretty sight to see? Alright. This is what the first one looks like. Spring preload are set from the factory. Do not adjust these two rings. So the preload's already set. I don't even have to worry about that, which is sweet. And there you go, the Rev9 Hyper Street 2, and they got some weight to them. I'm curious to see how heavy the stock ones are when they come out. So it has the adjustable damping, as you can see right there, soft and hard. Yeah, guys, I'm excited to get these in the car. Next project, putting coilovers on the Miata. That's gonna be sweet. Heck yeah. And the green's kind of nice too. So let me get the rest of these out and you guys can see what they all look like. Alright guys, so I got them all out of the packaging. Comes with the little wrenches to loosen and tighten these. So it's pretty nice, comes with its own tool set, and I like how there's holes in the end right there just in case you need to stick something in there to give yourself some more leverage. Line up these ends. I mean, you can see the difference between the front and the rears, so I'm interested to see how the car is going to sit after I install these. Hopefully I can still get up my driveway, because that would definitely suck. And yeah guys, they look pretty sweet. I'm curious to see how they perform. They were $300 less than the Tane that I was originally gonna get, so let's just hope that the quality isn't $300 less, and we'll see. I mean, I don't plan on driving it like a madman this first couple years of having the car anyway. I'm not gonna be taking it to any autocrosses or anything like that, probably not in the first year or two of me even owning the car. But who knows, maybe I will. So hopefully this suspension holds up for the driving that I use it for. And that is the Rev9 Hyper Street 2 coilovers for the Miata. So stay tuned guys, definitely be having an installation video soon, and hope everybody's been doing well. It's a crazy world out there now, but stay safe, and until next time guys, peace.